Hey everyone, this is Tenet. I'm just going to go through function tables again real quick just so that you remember what to do. I know it's been a few days since we went over them. So if you're on page, your assignment today is extra practice, page 463 and 465. You'll notice that question number 12, it's already done for you, but I'm going to show you just the steps of creating the table. We learned that when we have the input, this is our function table, the input is always going to be the x value. The output is always going to be the y value. And the x and the y together make our ordered pair. So we have x comma y would be our ordered pair, which we're able to then graph, which we know how to graph now. That shouldn't be a problem. Our function rule always goes right in the middle, and the function rule changes, and usually they give you the function rule. In this case, it was x plus 3, and they gave us the three input values. So instead of having x plus 3, you're going to put in the value for x, which is 0. So you're going to write 0 plus 3. And then you just solve it. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Then you put the 2 in where the x was. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now you have your input values and you have your output values. If it asked you to graph a question, you would have to put x comma y. So your first ordered pair would be 0 comma 3. Your second ordered pair would be 2 comma 5. And your third ordered pair would be 4 comma 7. Okay?